What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a while since I last posted. The last video that I did was whenever I had trouble with my car that the bags blew, and today I finally got the part. It took a while just because of Labor Day, and I don't know, it's just shipping was really expensive, but it finally came in today. So before it gets really dark, I'm gonna try to clean them up, because it's always good to clean up your coilovers once in a while so that the dirt doesn't build in and gets really hard. I mean, trust me, like, it gets really hard later on to try to take them apart. So yeah, it's gonna get really dark in a few, so hopefully I'm able to get like good lighting and stuff for y'all. That way it don't have to be a crappy video. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm gonna build them up and hopefully I get to install them today. Alright guys, so I know this kind of looks so complicated, but I'm telling you, this is so simple. I know a lot of y'all don't really have like bags, but I mean, if you ever want to go bags, I want to say these last me like 3 years, so they're pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie, they're good. I'm pretty sure there's better ones out there, but for the price that I got them for, they're really good. I paid $220 for each bag, and well, of course I have 4 bags in the car, so it was almost like $800, you know, like 8 something. So for anyone that wants to start, you know, with a simple setup, I guess these are the best bags that you could get. I mean, as you can see right there, I kind of scraped it a little bit, but it's nothing big, honestly, so nothing compared to my other one. But I'm gonna figure it out once I install everything. I'm gonna air out my car and see what's hidden it, so you know I won't have this problem ever again. These are the front bags, so it's not gonna be the rear ones. The rear ones is only the bag, and it comes with 2 brackets, but they're kind of bigger than, they're a little bit wider than that. So I mean, honestly, it just goes in a bucket and that's it. These are the struts that I was talking about. These are they're brand new. But the thing is that these are for the rear, and honestly, I don't know if it's gonna affect my right, but I don't know. Like I said, they're just maybe like 2 inches shorter than the front ones, so hopefully it doesn't make a difference whenever I ride in the car. This is the one that I have. The other one got messed up, like I said on my previous video. So this is a new one that came out, and it's exactly the same thing, but except that this one has BC Racing high performance shock absorber. This one doesn't, but it's basically the same thing, you know. Does the same thing. This one has a little bit of water still. Make sure I clean that, but it's basically the same thing. So, but I'm guessing this is like the new style they're making the BC coilovers, I guess, the parts. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is, of course, get this part. It's called the D17, and it's I guess a strut mount. But just screw it all the way till it hits the bottom. I mean, it has a little hole in here so you can see how much you're going into, but I'm pretty sure on my previous setup that I had it all the way down. One thing that I did forget to order is another part of these. So this kind of sucks. This is the one that holds this part, so kind of forgot to order it, but I only have one. But I guess I'm just gonna ride like that for a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my coilovers or nothing like that. But alright, so before I continue, I'm gonna put them brackets in the bags. And once again, shout out to Ash for letting me have the bag. This one's like still brand new, so huge shout out to Ash. There's 2 different brackets. One's for the bottom where the airline goes, and this one's for the top. So on the bags it has 3 holes on each side, but one of them is closed out. So of course this side is the one that's gonna have the, I guess, just the 2 holes, since the other one's useless. These are the bolts that Bag Riders provides. So now we're gonna do this side, and the lines that I'm using is a 1/4 inch. So before you put the bracket, make sure you put this, and always use Teflon. I'm pretty sure there's other products that you can use other than Teflon, but I mean, I've always used Teflon, so I never had a problem. So now that you have this one on, you literally just put it on top of it. Oh, but before you do that, like I said, I only have one of these, so It's gonna kind of suck that I only have one, so I already ordered it for the other strut, so hopefully it comes here very soon. If you have used coilovers and you ever doing something, make sure you always clean them, because whenever they have dirt, it's gonna suck whenever you're trying to take off parts. Like right now, everything's going like so smooth. Now that you have the ring on, don't forget to put this. Just slides in. This one holds the brake line, and this one is the one that's gonna, I guess, support the bracket with the bag. Then you put the bag on top of it. So a lot of people have their own measurements, but from what I know that this bag does, whenever it compresses, it's 4 inches, and whenever it's extended, it's like 9.25. I'll put a picture right here, and this is the one I got from the uasbags.com website. So once you're done, it's gonna be every single one of those little parts, and it's very simple. First, you're gonna put one of the rings. You're gonna put the bracket on top. Another ring.
Huh? Huh?
So yeah, guys, that's how you do a bag over coilover. Basically, all you have to do, it's literally the same thing as a coilover, except that I don't have a spring no more. It's just 3 screws on the top, which are the ones for the that go on the plate, and from there is this one. So other than that, you're pretty much done. You just have to hook up your brake lines and stuff like that, but that all goes into this part of the coilover. So other than that, you should be good. Like I said, I haven't really tightened up everything, but I'm gonna test it out to see how it looks. I'm gonna connect my line, make sure everything's right. So right now you're about to witness how much air goes into this bag. Like I said, I think it goes up to like 9 inches high whenever it's all the way whenever it's filled with air. But right now it's aired out, there's no air in it. So you're about to see it, I guess, expand. So like I said, I just wanted to make sure nothing was leaking. My pressure says everything is good, so now I'm just gonna air it out and do the other side. So yeah, that's pretty much it whenever you're installing the bags over coilover setup. And yeah, it's not that hard, honestly. There's a lot of different ways that you could I guess do bags over coilovers. There's just a lot of universal bags that they provide, especially UAS bags. They provide a lot of bags for like different kind of cars and stuff like that. The only thing that you would need is you would have to buy your management. But if you have coilovers, you could definitely get bags of a coilover set up, and it'll be a lot cheaper than buying like airlift kits and stuff like that.
The Lord blesses me lyrically inclined. Shit, I ain't even got to try to shine. Guards and seamstress that tailor fitted my pain. I got scriptures in my brain, I can spit at your name straight out the good book. Look, niggas are shook. 50 fit no man, warrior. Swing swords like Conan. Picture me, spinning in right lines, knowing the source of voted. When I die, they'll read this and say a genius wrote it. I grew up without my pop, shit that make me bitter. I call cases I doubt out, does that make me put up? In this white man's world, I'm sending you to a squirrel. Looking for a slut with a nice butt to get a nut. If I get shot today, my phone will stop ringing again. These industry niggas ain't friends.
Dude, the G is finally back. It's been a while last posted a video, but that's because, like, honestly guys, it's really hard to create content, and without my car I can't do anything. So I received the part a few days ago, maybe like 2 days ago, and I barely finished installing it because I ran into some problems that my car wouldn't air up really high, and I thought it was because of the strut that I got was from the rear and I used it on the front. I really thought that was a problem. So after like messing with it, playing with it, suspension wise and everything, I finally got it, and now I could air up. Not as high, but it's not really low, you know, to where I can't drive it. I'm really happy I finally got my car back, honestly. I've been driving my brother's truck for a while, and now that that is sold, because we sold the truck, I had to fix my car ASAP, and well, I did already. So this is actually the first drive that I do on my car, and so far it hasn't given me any single problems with it. Like, it rides smooth. It's a lot stiffer since the struts are brand new, so I'm actually really happy. Finally my car is back together. It's finally in one piece. There's no problems whatsoever. Honestly, I don't know what to do right now. I'm just really happy that I finally got it. I went to go pump gas right now, and yeah, it's the first drive that I do with the car since I fixed it. And one part came in today, and it's something that a lot of you guys are gonna like, and I'm actually excited for it. Like, whenever I get home, I'll show it to y'all, or I'll probably make it in another video. So just today, guys, like, I wasn't gonna really do much with the car. It's Sunday, and Sunday fun day, you know. But I don't know, I probably won't even do nothing. But yeah, guys, I mean, I just wanted to show you that my car is finally done. Finally able to drive this car again after a while, dude. It's been like maybe like 2-3 weeks since I haven't drove it. So take another glam of this car. Still a lot of work to be done on this car, but you know, with patience and dedication, I'm gonna finish this car one day. I have one surprise for y'all. Probably, I want to say in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna start doing it. Well, I'm gonna go purchase it from one of my friends that's gonna sell it to me. Well, hopefully he still has it for sale, but it's something that it's probably 2 people have done it before, but I'm gonna be the 3rd one. So it's gonna be something really amazing, guys, and let's just know it's about to get thicker, if you know what I mean. So yeah, super excited because of that. So far, guys, y'all should like comment down below, what do you think of the car so far? I know it's been looking the same way for a while already, but you know, I'm gaining new subscribers. So for all y'all new subscribers, let me know what you think of the car. It's been a long journey since it came from, so y'all probably don't know how the car started off. You know, it was being black and it has stocks and stuff like that. So yeah, I know y'all probably see this car and be like, oh, okay, you know, it's nice, whatever. But like, for all the old subscribers, and well, I guess the OG subscribers, and y'all should know that this car has came a long way. So super excited. A lot of money has been dumped into this car, and a lot of repairs have been done to this car too. So I don't know, probably want to say maybe I'm like $11,000, $12,000, $13,000 deep into this car, and I'm actually ready for a new start, for another car. Honestly, my brother's trying to get a 240, so if he actually gets a 240, then we could be working on that too. I'm actually gonna be doing a lot of interior mods. Oh, I locked the door. But I'm actually gonna be doing a lot of interior mods. I finally found a guy that does carbon fiber here in Houston, and hopefully I will be starting doing my pillars and stuff like that, like interior mods. I'm gonna start working on interior, that way I can see it, and I don't know, I'm gonna start looking into somebody that could do a 6-piece swap on this car. So I don't know, stay tuned for this car, guys. Like, I'm still gonna do a lot of things to it. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Like I said, my car is finally back. I'm actually very happy for that, and well, yeah, guys, don't forget to go like, subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. Like, I really appreciate it.